Socks always slipping off your heel? It is a common annoyance that can disrupt your day, whether you are heading to work, working out, or just relaxing at home. But why does it happen? The number one reason socks slip off is poor fit or weak elastic. When socks are too loose or the elastic at the cuff is not strong enough, they simply cannot grip your foot properly. This leads to that frustrating feeling of your socks bunching up under your heel or sliding down into your shoe. The solution is to choose socks with secure elastic cuffs. A well-designed cuff hugs your ankle comfortably, preventing slippage without feeling too tight. Additionally, socks with an ergonomic heel design are crafted to fit the natural curve of your foot, helping them stay in place all day long. Breathable materials also play a role in reducing slipping. Fabrics that wick away moisture keep your feet dry, which helps socks maintain their grip and shape throughout the day. We offer custom-fit, anti-slip socks for all ages. Our socks combine secure elastic, ergonomic design, and breathable materials for maximum comfort and performance. Direct message us for samples or bulk orders today and experience socks that stay put.